Hi everyone, am I audible? Hello. Okay, great. So let's wait for a few more minutes. After that, we can start. In the meantime, anyone got any questions, any doubts, anything, whether it is related to previous assignments or whatever that we discussed? Did anyone tried working on the assignments? Yes. Any questions, any doubts? Tanushree, Satyashree, Venkatesh, Sai Ratna. Yes. No, nobody started trying anything, any assignments. Okay. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. So let us start the today's session. So today we are going to discuss about the meta advertising. We discussed in the previous class, we have discussed about the uh, Facebook pages, how to create a business page, how to optimize a business page, everything. Right? So I'm not sure how many of you tried creating a Facebook page, business page. So remember, only when you create a business page only you can able to follow the further process, whether it is a creating the ads or managing them, anything. Okay, you can only promote if you have only a business page. If you don't have a business page, you can't do anything. Okay, so remember that. Fine. So let us start with the ads manager. Okay, business manager or ads manager. What is business manager or ads manager? Here is where we create all the ads. Okay, suppose if you want to manage advertising, everything you can manage from here on. So that you can either access from the ads manager. Okay, I hope you can able to see my screen. Either you can open from the ads manager or you can directly go to the Google and search Facebook Business Manager or Meta Business Manager. Okay, you can either directly search in the Google or you can directly click on the Ads Manager. Anyway, whatever you do, you can come. You can able to access the Facebook Ads Manager. Now, if you see here, there is one more thing called Meta Business Suite. Okay, if you click on the Meta Business Suite, this is where you can manage both Instagram and Facebook at one place. Okay, generally what you need to do, either you need to manage from Instagram separately. Okay, Instagram generally you can't post it in the desktop. Okay, like the suppose in the Facebook I have shown you how to post. Suppose here if you like, if you can create a post and you can post it from the desktop. But generally, if you go to the Instagram website, you can't post like that. Okay. But then how you can do? You can do it from the Meta Business Suite. So here, suppose right now for this page, Instagram is not connected. But what you can do, if you connect the Instagram, then you can see this will be activated. So right now you can see Instagram is not activated. That is the reason it is showing uh, this gray color. But once you connect the Instagram, then it will also show like the Facebook, how the Facebook is showing. Okay. After that, you can post it from the Meta. Okay. From the Meta Business Suite. If you click on the create a post, here you can select Instagram also. See right now, I can't select Instagram because it is not connected. So once you select, here you can add a photo. Okay, let's say you can add any photo or any video. And then you can text, you can write the caption of the post. Okay, you can take the help of the ChatGPT. I'm sure you must be using the ChatGPT. let's say you can upload an image and ask it to generate a caption. Okay. So once you do that, it will give a different types of captions. Yeah, it will give a different types of captions. So what we can do, we can select a particular caption which we like. Okay, whether it is a funny, whether it is a something informative, something creative, something inspirational or motivational, you know, or something in the form of storytelling. So there are different ways which you can create caption, which is engaging caption. See, the goal of the posting is to make people engage. If you see generally lot of posts on the social media, they are just posting for the purpose of posting. Well, that won't help us anyway. Because if a person can't be able to stop at your scrolling, okay. Suppose let's say you are the person, you are scrolling the Instagram. There are hundreds and thousands of posts, right? Okay, every day you see there are hundreds or thousands of posts. But out of that post, if somebody need to stop and like it or share it, okay, or comment it, so then it must be engaging. Am I right? Will you agree? If the post is not engaging, okay, if somebody is not stopping scrolling at your post, then there is no point in posting. And remember, even if you post thousands of posts, okay, that does not help if it is not engaging. So that is the reason quality is more important than the quantity. And also one more thing is the quantity is also sometimes important. See, what happens is there are some people who, or there are some businesses or some people, they are more focused on the perfection. So you should not see the perfection will come with the consistency. Okay, if you are not consistent, let's say you want to create a video. If you want to achieve a perfection without posting anything, then maybe throughout your life you can't post anything. So the perfection will come with the practice, and the practice will come with the consistency. So one is you should be consistent enough. At the same time, the content which you are sharing must be some good quality. It should evoke some emotion. Okay, is it making them laugh? Is it making them, let's say, think? Is it making them inspire? Is it inspiring them? So, what exactly the kind of emotion which you want to create? And if that happens, then obviously your post will become successful. Otherwise, doesn't matter. You can post hundreds of promotional posts, by promoting your product or service. That won't help. Okay, it's like a spam. So if you see many of the brands which are doing some good work, you won't find the spam. Okay, you'll find it some kind of a brand. It will evoke some emotion. It will make you inform. Okay, it will provide you the trust. So that is the ultimate goal. Okay, so we can put it in the text. Okay, here obviously you can select the location. Okay, you can give the phone number, and you can select, I told you previously we can schedule, right? let's say I want to schedule this post on next week. Okay, we can post it, we can select the date and time. We can select whether it is we want to make it public or we want to make it a restricted. Okay, restricted means it won't be visible for all. Okay, once you upload, you can on the right side, you can see the preview also. Okay, so let me show you something. Okay, suppose take this. Actually, this is a wrong one, but I'm just showing you the for the purpose of explaining you. Okay, otherwise, let me share the uh, some different page so that it won't be causing any issue. So here you can on the right side, you can able to see the preview. Okay, if you add a caption, I hope you can able to see the preview. Okay, let me show you the caption also. Okay, caption. Post which needs to be highly engaging. Okay, you can see still struggling to meet your daily protein goals, whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a business professional, or simply looking for a healthier lifestyle. Plant protein is a clean, natural, delicious. Okay, suppose if I did not like this, I want better or I want the best one. Think harder. So now it tries to come up with a more options. So your body hears everything you feed it. Every scoop is a choice. A choice is to feel stronger. A choice to recover better. A choice to feel. So I think this is good. What if one daily habit could change your energy, fitness, and overall health? It starts with what you put into your body. I liked it compared to other ones. So I'll just try to put this one. So although the page is different, but I am just showing you for the purpose of showing. Okay. So you can click on share, then you can publish or you can schedule. Okay. Either you can publish immediately or you can schedule so that our post will be successfully. You can see the mobile also, mobile preview also, how it is appearing. Okay. This is how it will appear in the mobile. When somebody click on the see more, it will show the complete post. Okay. So once you are done, you can schedule. That's pretty much about the posting the post. Now you can see the multiple tools. I told you right earlier. there are hundreds of tools inside the Facebook. Okay, you don't even imagine how many posts how many uh, posts you can post. Okay, or how many tools which you have. Let's say this is the content planner. Okay, earlier I think few years back it is not there, but later they have introduced this. So here you can plan. Okay, suppose right now this is a June month. Okay, suppose on the 10th of the June, on 10th of the June, I want to schedule one post. So that I can just, you already seen how we will, whether we can add a video, photo, do the caption, hashtags, everything, and then schedule. Okay. Similarly, we can schedule throughout the month. Okay. So this week, suppose if I select a month, all the month you can schedule at once. So that you no need to daily come to the Facebook and daily post it. Not required. Okay. You can just take some few hours from your day and try to schedule all the posts here with the hashtags, captions, everything. After that, you can just leave it like that. Okay. It starts posting based on the scheduled day and time automatically. That is a planner. Okay. After that, there is a content. So here you can see all the content which you can see whether it will show the published one. So let me change to show you. So here it will show the all of our published posts. It will show all of our scheduled posts. Okay. And it will show all of our drafts. Drafts means we did not published nor scheduled. And if there is any post which is expired, okay, they will go to the expired. And add posts means these posts which we generally do for ads, creating the ads, which I'll show you. Similarly, stories. Stories, you know, right? Different. Can anyone tell me the difference between post and a story? Can anyone tell me the difference between the post and a story? Yes, it is only for a 24 hours. Post will be there forever, whereas a story will be there for a 24 hours. So the more active, see all these platforms, how they work, the more time you spend on the platform, the more results you get. Okay, suppose if you just post it and leave it, then obviously you don't receive much visibility. But suppose if you use all the features, if you use the stories for every, yeah, if you use the stories, if you try to post it, if you use the posts, reels, and text combination of all the different posts, stories, and if you do the testing, okay, what is the testing? Basically, A/B testing is something which you need to understand. Suppose I need to, let's say there is a one offer. We want to promote one offer. Okay, consider maybe there is some festival or there is some event for which you want to promote one offer. Now, on one post, you have given, okay, let's assume 10% offer. On one post, you have given 10% offer. On the other post also, you have given 10% offer. But on one post, you have added more details, like what all the things you get it. Okay, what all the free you get it. Means you have added more text. But on the other post, you have not added much text. You just uh, given a beautiful image. But you have kept a 10% offer. Okay, you have kept a heading, you have kept a 10% offer. But on one post you have given more details, and on the other post you just not given more details. Just direct contact us, or phone number, whatever. So can you tell me which one will work? You have created both types of posts. Just think and tell me which one will work. Is it the more text which we kept, or is it the uh, image one? Which one do you think will work best? For post with more text. Okay, how you are saying cited? How can we say that, if it has more text, it is performing better? Okay, then they will know more about the post or offer. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's assume I'll give you another example. Now I have given the same 10% offer only. On one post, I used a green color image or a blue color image. On the another post, I have given a red color image. Okay, one post I have given a green color image or photo. On the another post, I have given a red color photo. Now tell me which one will perform better. Which post will perform better? Everyone, you can also try it. Did you understand? Is everyone understand my question? I've created a two posts, same offer, same image, same offer, same image. But on one post, I have the color only I changed. On one post, I have given a blue color, and on the another post, I have given a red color. Now tell me which one do you think will work? Yes, everyone. Is everyone able to understand the question? Venkatesh, Shruti, Akshita. Think, think and tell me. No idea? Okay, fine. Is anyone answering? Fine. So basically, this is the place where the A/B testing will come. See, in the name itself, you can see A/B testing. Okay. Let's say there are multiple versions. Now we don't know which one will work. Okay, suppose can you able to tell me, suppose there is a movie which is released, okay, recently. or there is a movie which is going to release. Now, before releasing the movie, can you able to tell whether the movie will be hit, is going to be a hit or it's going to be a flop? Will you be able to tell before the release of a movie? No, right? Because there are a lot of factors. Okay, it depends on the lot of factors. We can't tell, the movie is going to be good or it's bad until and unless we see the result of the movie. So the same way the A/B testing will work. You don't know which post or which ad will work better. Okay, before the ad is published, you don't know exactly. Maybe you have some idea. Okay, if if this post is like this, or the heading size is this, or if the color is this, maybe it may work. Maybe it can grab attention. Okay, let's say if we use the bright red color, it can grab a more attention compared to some dim color or some dark color. So you can't exactly, but you have that idea, okay, based on the experience, based on the some research, other things, you may have some basic idea, but you can't say exactly this will work. So that is a case, that is a place where the A/B testing will come, where you can try to create a multiple posts, not only two. Okay, when I say A/B testing, it need not be a two posts only. You can try 5 different versions. You can try 10 different versions. You can try 20 different versions. Because you don't know, there can be which one, let's say you have created 5 different posts. Now, out of 5, you may like one or two, but remaining you don't like, you may not like. But that is not necessary that not everyone liked, right? See, if I liked some movie, that is not necessary that you will also like that. You may have a different taste, okay, or you may have a different interest, or I may like different thing. So that is the reason each and everyone is different. We can't say exactly which one will work. But based on our research and our experience, we can come some versions, some variations, and then we will publish, okay, ad or post, whatever. Now, based on the data, okay, let's say on one post I got more likes and comments, and on the another post nothing is coming, not even a single like. Now, can you able to tell me which one is working? Can we tell that? On one post, I'm getting some 100 likes. On the another post, I got only 5 likes. Okay, not only likes. I'm not saying likes only. Okay, you can say comments. You can shares. You can say how many people called us. How many people messaged us. All these things. Okay, how many people purchased our product by seeing the ad. So all of these things will come. Am I clear? Is the concept clear for of A/B testing? Everyone, is it clear? Okay. Suppose now let us say I will just go to there is some tool called Facebook Ads Library. Okay, Facebook Ads Library. If I just open this tool, here you can select a location. Okay, you can see for any country. But right now it has selected India. Maybe I'll select all. Okay, you can see the all ads or election related ads and all. So I'll just select all ads. Now here you can put the search by keyword advertiser. Okay, now I want to see some company ads. Okay, meta ads of some companies. Let's say, can you tell me any some company, some online company? I'm not talking about the offline stores and all, DMart or not like that. Can anyone tell me some online brand which you are aware? Okay, Mintra. Yeah, Mintra also can be good, but I will just go to the Nika. How many of you are aware of the Nika? Amazon, yeah. Did you know the Nika? I'll just click on the Nika. Now you can see, if you see this, so if you see these are all the ads of the Nika. Okay. Suppose if you see this product, now they have a four, I think in fact more, but I'll just say, but we can see all the four posts have the same ad. Okay, same image. Are you able to see? This is also same, this is also same, this is also same, this is also same. But if you see the carefully the headline, so here they have given the headline 7 to 10 women. Let me increase the size. Are you able to see this? Is everyone able to see this? Now here you can see 7 to 10 women black mesh over paneled chunky sneakers. Okay, here they have written a long headline and they have mentioned use code. Here if you see 7 to 10 sale, just even the code also they have given normally. It's a very short headline. This is a long headline. This is a short headline. Image is almost both are same. Uh, Here see the headline also it changed. Here they have written discover the latest collections and seasons. This we call as a primary text. This is the primary text. This is a headline. This is a call to action. So call to action is same. Image is same. But if you see the title changed. Okay, here the primary text is also changed. Okay, now we see the top ads. If you see here, uh, stay stylish with Nika fashion. I think both are almost looking same. Okay, this side and this side is almost same. There is not much difference. But if you see here, they have mentioned Euro 37. Here they have mentioned Euro 38. Maybe it may be related to price or something. I don't know, but you can see the difference, right? So see, you can see the ad starts running on 28th April 2026. So if you see this one, okay, this is on 28th April. This is the 21st April. Okay, if you see this one is 27 May. So you can see each ad has published at different timelines. Okay, seller may be different, but can you able to see the seller name anywhere? Okay, see seller can be different, but that is all back end. It doesn't matter. Right now, what we are saying is for a front end, it's a marketing. by the NICA platform for the public. Are you getting it? Is everyone clear? And you can see the different primary text, different headlines, different maybe the prices, but the product is same. Are you getting it? Am I clear? Everyone? Any questions here? Any doubts? So that is what we call as a now they don't even know. Okay, out of all this, they have created a multiple ads. They can simply create a one single ad, right? Why they created a multiple ads? Because they want to test it. Okay, they want to test it with the different headlines, different descriptions. So they want to see which one is performing better. Are you getting it? Did you understand? Okay, we can also see the multiple brands. Okay, suppose let me try something related to skin. Yeah, at the end, yeah, sure, definitely should. I will give it. Okay. So let me open the tire clinic. Okay, it is one of the best skin clinic. Okay. Now you can see they are also running the ads. Uh, let's see if they are creating any similar ads. Okay, see this one, and this one. The image is same. Text, image, everything is same. But if you see the primary text, again they have changed the primary text. Here there is a different primary text. Here this is a very different primary text. Even the headline also different. Book your appointment now. Here up to 50% off. Okay. Similarly, you can let's say suppose these two ads are same. Dull skin, dark spots, temporary fixes fade. So they are just trying which one will work better. See, it is every time it is not necessarily the primary text. When I say A/B testing, it is not only about the primary text or changing the headline. So it can be call to action also. Okay, for one ad they can do book now. For another ad uh, they can do contact us. Okay, or click now. Or it can be in the image also. Okay, in the image also either they can change the color. Okay, for one ad they can do the gold color. Some another ad they can do this in red color. So they can literally we can try with the different uh, text, images, call to action, content, headlines, color, anything. Okay, whatever you think you want to test, you can do it through A/B testing. Okay. Now let us go to the feed and read. You can see how your feed is visible. You can see playlist means these are all the just whatever you created only. If you create a you can in the YouTube you know the playlist, right? Similarly in the page or Facebook page or here also you can create a playlist. Okay. So I think that is related to the content. And here you can see the how many people watched everything. Now let us go to the insights. So this is where you can see all the views and everything. Okay. How many views, how many interacted, okay, whether liked or followed, how many visits to your page, any new people followed or unfollowed. All the details you can get it here. Okay. Similarly, you can see the results. You can see the audience. Right now, this is a simple page. That is the reason basic page. But you can see the what are the top cities from where people are visiting you. What are the top countries? Okay, how many followers? What are the trends for your page? Who can be potential audience? So suppose you can say for this page, mostly 18 to 45. 18 to 44 age are the one who are actively potential audience. In that 70% men, 30% women. Okay. Top towns, it is showing. This is different. Okay. This is not related to that page. Right now, we are just seeing the how many potential audience as per the uh, this this is a different page. My personal page. Okay. I will just show you what is a personal page, what is a business page. Yeah, see, this is the one which is more of a related to this page, where you can see all the data. How many liked, how many commented, how many viewed, how many reels, how many stories. Okay, how many people clicked on the link, how many people watched the 3 seconds, how many people watched the 15 seconds of your video. Completely, every detail you can get it. Okay, from the insights. In the inbox, you can see the messages. If somebody messaged you, if somebody messaged you, that will all those things will come here. Whether it is whether somebody messaged from Instagram or somebody messaged WhatsApp. WhatsApp also will show, but we need to have a connect a WhatsApp business to this. Okay, there is some integration needs to be done. Then only we can able to see. Similarly, Facebook comments. Okay, if somebody dropped a comment, that also we can see. And monetization. Monetization, I think currently there is some metrics which needs to be followed. Okay, you need to have either 10,000 followers or these conditions. Monetization means whether we get any money from the Facebook. Okay, that is what we call as the monetization. So see, these are the lot of tools. I previously told you there are hundreds of tools inside the Facebook. Okay, generally, did you ever know that this many tools existed? What we generally use, most of the people use the Facebook. Okay, most of the people use the Facebook and like or comment or do just random stuff or waste stuff. But you can see how many powerful tools are there inside the Meta. Okay, each some of them are so advanced, some of them are basic, which we see in uh, content planner, content, inbox, uh, page posts, insights. Okay, we have seen some tools, but there are a lot of tools are there. Okay, literally you don't even understand also some of them. Means they are so advanced. Okay, let's say people who have, there are some people who become an expert in Meta. Okay, see, in fact, even though there are people who work for 10, 15 years also, even they also don't know everything. Okay, means that many options are available. But you need to become an expert. See, in digital marketing, what you need to understand is in the starting of the career, just try to learn everything. Okay, means whether it is, don't limit yourself, whether it is a Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, everything. But as you gain more and more expertise, okay, slowly when you gain more experience, then try to focus on particular area. Okay, so that you will become, means you need to become an expert in that. If somebody comes and asks you, you should know A to Z about that. Okay, and that is where you can become an expert in that particular area. Am I clear, everyone? But in the initial years, don't limit yourself. Try to explore everything. Try to understand everything. Okay. So now let me so up to now we have seen ads library. Ads library is generally to understand or to do the research. Okay, suppose you are running the ads for the skincare or you are running the ads for the clothing store. Now you need to see the competitor ads also, right? Means you need to analyze, because see, right now you are just starting, but there are some competitors who are running the ads from 3 years, 5 years, 10 years also. Okay, they have a lot of data. So if you analyze, if you go to the competitors pages, competitor ads, and understand, uh, do some research, then you can get some idea. Okay, which one is working, which one is not working. Suppose if they are running the ad from one ad from last 1 year. Okay, if somebody running one ad from last 1 year means it is working for them. Why I'm saying, can anyone tell me why I'm saying it is working for them? Let's say I have a business and I am running an ad, same ad for almost from the last 1 year. Then can I say that the ad is working for me? Can I say that? Everyone, can I say that or no? No? Are you able to understand whatever I'm saying? Because, why? Because I'm spending the money, right? See, if I'm running the ads means literally I'm spending the money, thousands of rupees from my pocket. If some ad is not working for me, then will I continue? Suppose if I'm running some ad from the last 2 months and I did not receive any sales or any leads, do you think will I continue? Okay, let's say if I spend in the daily 1,000 rupees, do you think will I continue if I did not receive any leads or any sales? No, right? Because nobody, see, ultimately, marketing is all about how much we are putting, not only marketing. If you take any business only will work like that. How much you are putting and how much return you are getting. If you are not getting the let's say if you are putting 100 rupees and if you are getting only 50 rupees, it's better to shut your shop and go to the, something else. Okay, because if something is not bringing you what you want, then there is no point in doing that, right? So that is the reason. If some competitor is running from the some ad from the last 6 months or 1 year, means somehow it is working for them. We can assume that it is working. Most probably it is working for them. So I am not saying you need to copy that. Okay, you just go and copy, but you just get some inspiration or some idea, and then try to come up with your own version. Are you getting it? Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear? So that is what we need to understand from the Facebook ads library. Okay, we have seen the Facebook ads library. We have seen the Facebook page scheduling and posting. We have also seen, we have discussed about the Meta Business Suite. Okay, how to use the Meta Business Suite, how to connect Instagram and Facebook, and how to use that. And after that, coming to the Meta Business, you have a Meta Business Manager. Okay, Meta Business Manager. Business Manager means we can manage multiple businesses inside a Business Manager. Okay, from for every Facebook account, see one account, I have a one Facebook account. Did you understand what is account? Is everyone know what is account? So if you have a one Facebook account, you can have access to the one business manager. Okay, one business manager. So how can I get the business manager? Just go to the Google and search Meta Business Manager. Okay, either Meta Business Manager or Meta Business Suite, more or less both are same. See, this is the Meta Business Manager. Now, if you see here, inside the suppose right now, since I already have the business manager created, that is the reason it is directly taking me. Suppose if you are trying to create a first time, then it will ask a few details about your business name, about your name, email ID, phone number, etc., etc. So you just need to give all the details and create a business manager. Now you can see inside the business manager, these are all the businesses. Now you can see these are all the businesses which I am managing or I have previously managed. Okay, this we call as a business manager. And inside that, you can see these are all different businesses. Okay, we call these as either business portfolios or ad account. Remember, don't confuse these words. In one business manager or business suite, I can have a multiple ad accounts. Ad accounts. Remember, okay, ad accounts. I can have a multiple ad accounts. But you can create maybe some 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 different ad accounts. But here, if you see, I have almost some 10 to 15, 15 to 20 are there. How do I get it? That is where I have taken either I have taken the access or they have given me the access. Suppose let's say Sai Kirtana has a one business. Okay, she has a one business manager and one ad account. for her business. Now tomorrow Saititana want me to manage her business or her meta ads. Okay, she don't want to do herself, and she want to me to do the ads for her business. Okay, what she need to do? She need to give me the access. How she will give? You just need to go to the settings. Okay, you have a settings. See on the top, I can see the business name. This is a business name. And on the below, you can add the people. So right now you can see, suppose she is the owner of this business, and she given me the access. Okay, now you can see the I have the access. Suppose if I need to add some another person, then I will give the email ID of that person. And then either I can give the temporary access or permanent access. Okay, if you don't want, then I can remove also. So suppose right now she don't want me to manage, then she can remove from here. Is it clear? Is everyone clear with this concept? Is everyone understand the ad account? Yes. So see here, these are all the details you need to provide. What is the business name, address, phone number, website? You need to verify also sometimes. For verification, you need to provide some business details and all. Okay, I think you can create a 3 ad accounts. Suppose you can create your own 3 ad accounts, but beyond that you can't create. You can only take the access. Okay. Similarly, you can. I think these are all the tools. Obviously, it will take some time for me to explain all of this, but I hope you understand. And one more thing is, these are all business ad accounts. So there are 2 types. One is a business ad accounts. Second is a personal ad accounts. Suppose if I click on my this is my name, and if I go to my name, now you can see this is my personal ad account. Here you can, these are all, see here the names are not there. These are all account ID. Okay, ad account ID you can see. These are all different personal ad accounts. Generally, if it is a business, we need to create ads from the business ad accounts only. But there are sometimes, there is either there may be some issue with the business ad account, or there may be some problem in creating a business ad account. At that time, we can create a personal ad account and we can run the ads from the personal ad account. Okay, but in the personal ad account, yes, you can run the ads, but there will be some limitations. Okay, in sharing the accesses and all, you may face some issues, but you can run the ads, without any problem. Is everyone clear? Is everyone understand about what is a business manager or business suite? What is the ad account? Inside ad account, what is the business ad account? Business ad account. And then there is a personal ad account. Personal ad account. Am I clear with this concept? So we will pause here for today, and remaining we will see in the next session. Now I'll come to the assignment 5. Assignment 5, I want everyone, you already created a Facebook page. I'm assuming you created a Facebook page for your business. Okay. Now I want everyone to create a business manager account. Okay. Business manager and ad account. Okay. Inside business manager, you have an option to create an ad account. Okay. When I say ad account, I mean to say business ad account, not personal ad account. So again, I want you guys to try it out. Don't be idle or don't just listen theory and leave it. You can't learn anything if you do like that. So just try to create it and come to the next class. Then we can discuss more about how to create the ads and everything. Am I clear, everyone? Is it okay? Any questions? Any questions or any doubts related to yesterday's or to previous sessions or today's class? Anything? No. Perfect. So let's work it out and then we'll meet in the next session. Okay. Thank you. Bye.